I decided to start a YouTube Shorts channel, and my goal is to make at least 20,000 this year. And so far, my channel is doing, good or bad? Let's find that out. Last Friday, I decided to do some niche research and found out the best and most viral niche for 2026. And when I said most viral, I'm not even kidding. This niche is the best niche for 2026. Of course, I'm talking about the football niche. Next month, the FIFA World Cup starts, and this is trending worldwide. So if you start something so unique and new now, you can actually monetize this opportunity. Okay, now you may have seen a lot of videos about this niche, and I have watched those as well, but none of them actually show you the correct method. It's going to be either some yapping video that leads to their private community by buying their paid course, or some bullshit tutorial about using football highlight videos and reused clips that are obviously copyrighted material. The fact is that even if you get views with those methods, you won't be able to monetize your videos. So all the effort is just a waste of time. So my plan is to avoid all the reused clips and copyrighted highlights and do something creative that no one is doing. So after I put on my thinking cap, I came up with 3 different ideas. To find out which type of concept has the best chance of going viral, I uploaded 3 different videos, each based on a completely different concept. The goal was simple: let the algorithm decide the winner. Now, I'll show you exactly how I created each video step by step, so you can copy the same process for your own channel. And once we're done, I'll reveal the results and show you which concept performed the best. Let's start with the first one: short AI stories. My plan here is to find short and interesting stories about famous football players and create Zach D film-style videos for those stories with the help of AI. Since I'm using AI to create the scenes, I don't need to use copyrighted football clips or reused clips. Next, I went to ChatGPT and asked it to generate several short, real-life story ideas about football players. It gave me a bunch of interesting topics, but before turning any of them into videos, I wanted to make sure they were actually true. The last thing I want is to spread fake stories online. So I took each idea and searched for it on Google to verify the facts. For my first video, I chose "The Footballer Who Survived a Plane Crash." After doing some research, I confirmed that the story was completely real. Now that I had a verified topic, it was time to turn it into a video. I wrote a rough script in the fast-paced Zach D film style, then used ChatGPT to polish it, and here is the final script for my video. Then I convert this into a voiceover using 11 Labs. And let me show you how I made the visuals for this script. And this is the most important part. When it comes to making scenes like Zach D films, you have to use a prompt like this. This is for the first scene. It's going to be a scene of Neymar standing in a blue background with a football. You can choose any AI video generator of your choice. Google Omni, Kling, or Seedance is best for this type of video creation. And this is the result I got. Now, let me show you a simple way to create scene prompts for your video. Just go to ChatGPT, paste your script, and use a prompt like, "Create simple and minimalist scenes for this video script in the correct order to match the story." ChatGPT will then break the script into a sequence of scenes and give you visual ideas for each one. You can use these scene suggestions exactly as they are, or tweak them to better fit your style and the type of visuals you want to create. This saves a lot of time and makes it much easier to turn a script into a complete video storyboard. Then, all I did was put together all those clips using CapCut and add background music and some edits. After that, I uploaded that video to my new channel. Just take a look at this video.
What if I told you one of football's biggest stars almost ended up on a plane that never made it home? In 2016, Brazilian club Chapecoense was living the dream. They had just reached the biggest match in their history and boarded a flight to Colombia for the final. But they never arrived. As the plane neared its destination, it ran out of fuel and slammed into a mountainside.
The second video concept that I did was football quizzes. Quiz-related videos have more engagement because, most of the time, people comment their answers and share those videos with their friends. So, what I need is highly engaging questions and answers related to football. So, I went to ChatGPT and used this prompt. Create football-related quizzes and answers for YouTube Shorts. I need 3 question videos. Make sure they are favorites among fans and highly engaging. As you can see here, I have some cool quizzes. Now, just like I did before, I'm going to convert this into voiceovers using 11 Labs. Now, let me show you how to do the editing process in CapCut. It's super easy. As the starting point of the video, I added an AI-generated clip, and it goes like this.
If you can answer these questions, you can beat 90% of football fans.
This is a good hook, so you can also add something like this. Then I added a stock video as a background and added the question as a text layer. Then I added this square shape design to represent the 3 answer options. These are just the same square duplicated 3 times. Then I added 3 new text layers on top of it to show the answer options. When the voiceover mentions the correct answer, the answer text is going to turn yellow. To do that, I just duplicated the text layer of the correct answer, changed its color, and placed it in the right place. Now you can do this for the other questions as well. Here is the final output.
If you can answer these questions, you can beat 90% of football fans.
Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Answer A, France. Answer B, Argentina. Answer C, Brazil. Take your time and guess the answer. The answer is B, Argentina. Which player has won the most Ballon d'Or awards? Answer A, Cristiano Ronaldo. Answer B, Lionel Messi. Answer C, Johan Cruyff.
The third concept that I tried for this channel is football facts videos. Before I even explain what sort of videos I'm going to create under this category, take a look at this video. You will be able to understand it easily.
5 facts about Ronaldo that you have never heard. Cristiano Ronaldo can reportedly jump higher than many professional basketball players. Ronaldo had heart surgery at age 15 and returned to football shortly afterward. Ronaldo's body fat percentage has often been lower than many Olympic sprinters. He was named after former US President Ronald Reagan. Ronaldo once scored a hat trick against Spain in the World Cup at age 33.
That was a football facts video. Creating a video like this was so simple. First, I went to ChatGPT and got some football fact ideas, like these facts about Ronaldo and these facts about Messi. After that, the process was simple. I created the voiceovers, and the editing part was easier than the other 2 concepts. I used AI videos and some real images I found on Google, and added some cool video effects in CapCut. You can easily make videos like this in minutes. Okay, it's just been 24 hours since I uploaded my videos. These are the results. I uploaded 2 story videos, and both have gained more than 1,000 views. And the football facts video has also gained 1,200 views so far. And the quiz video is not performing well. But I'm going to upload another quiz video and see. If that didn't work out, I'm going to stop making quiz videos. Within 24 hours, with these 4 videos, I gained 13 subscribers. I'm going to upload videos daily for this channel, and my plan is to get 1,000 subscribers within this month. And you can copy my channel and start your own with the method I showed you.